Hello guys, if you are looking to cut off refined sugar and switch to a natural sweetener, then give date serum a due consideration. To begin with, I have my date saved, so you can have more depending on the quantity of the date serum you want to do. First thing I will do is to cut and de-seed it, but right now this particular date has no seed. They have already removed the seed. Next thing I will do is to wash and set it aside. So I'll go ahead and boil hot water. I will soak it overnight, but you can choose to boil it. The essence is to soften the date. So the next thing I will do is to reduce the water because it's too much before I will go ahead and mash it. Right now you need the chiffon filter to separate the chaff from the liquid. Continue squeezing it until all the liquid is out. This is all the liquid. Pour it into a pot and transfer it into your stove to cook. In this part, you need to continue stirring it. If you leave it unattended, it will start burning. Once you start noticing all this on top, you know that the serum is ready. Take it off from the heat and allow it to cool down before you serve it to any container. Remember, once it cools down, it becomes more thicker. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, share for other people to see. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.